We believe in the power of reuse. We believe that if you can fix your old device, you should. Welcome to the iFixScreens, Greenwich Village store. We can help you with any kind of repair your device needs, especially iPhone screen replacement in Greenwich Village, New York. Whether you need a screen repair, battery replacement, camera repairs, or even data recovery, we're here for you. We repair all types of electronics including iPhones, Samsung, MacBook, and many more. You can also ask for our best-in-class gaming console repairs that include Nintendo Switch, Xbox, and PlayStation. At iFixScreens, Greenwich Village store, we take pride in providing you with outstanding service and quality repairs. Our technicians are trained to meet the high standards we've set for ourselves. With more than 1 million repairs done each year, you can trust their experience to get your favorite device back to life. We offer the lowest cost and are certified experts in every kind of repair, especially iPhone repair in Greenwich Village, New York. As your trusted local repair partner, we offer a 180-day hassle-free warranty on any parts we install in your device. If you have any questions, call us at 855-462-4349. You can check our website at www.ifixscreens.com/location/Greenwich-Village-NY.